Hey everyone, Anthony from Ace Woodcoat here, and today I'm going to show you how I built this propagation station. It's a super simple build, and I was able to use scrap material from older projects, which was awesome. And one thing I like about it is I built it so that these test tubes fit perfectly in these holes. Nice. So please hit that like and subscribe button and enjoy this propagation build. So for this propagation build, I had a 2x6 scrap cutoff that was laying around in my shop that I decided to use. I ended up cleaning up the edges and cutting it at 9 inches. And I took my time cutting through this maple piece. I think my blade may have been a little dull. I just made equal spacing for this propagation station and centered along the width of the board. This spacing will vary depending on how long you're making your propagation piece. With the holes marked, I now drilled the holes. I found with my test tubes that a 30mm Forstner bit worked out perfectly and made the test tube slide in super easily. I did a 15-degree bevel for my propagation station. It's not too extreme of an angle and just gives it a little cleaner look. Now to sand it up, nice and silky smooth. I always like to hand sand the edges of my projects. It gives you more control to soften up those sharp edges. I finished off the project with Walrus Oil's furniture butter. All natural, and it really smells great. And there you have it, a nice aesthetic propagation station. Your plants will really love it if you're a plant lover. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Happy propagating!